welcome to Applewhite Intelligence, where today's AI headlines meet real world business growth. Okay, because what happens in the news isn't just story time, y'all. It's roadmap time for entrepreneurs. New AI means new opportunities and new risks dropped overnight. And each one has a direct impact on small and mid-sized businesses, so I suggest y'all listen up, right? If you're ready to level up and this playbook moves the needle for you, I need y'all to subscribe, right? Smash that subscribe button, y'all, so you can keep your edge, okay? Because a lot of y'all watch, like, comment and everything and forget to subscribe. And I'm telling y'all, it really helps us keep bringing this information straight to you, okay? So if this helps your businesses in any way, y'all, again, hit that subscribe button immediately, all right? Now, let's start with Microsoft. They just unveiled their first proprietary AI models, MAI Voice 1 and MAI Preview. Voice 1 generates a minute of crisp audio in under a second, while MAI 1 is open for both public testing, right? Both are designed for speed, quality, and ease of use, right? This is a clear signal that Microsoft is moving away from relying on external AI stacks and building its own foundation for all future products, okay? Now, why should you care about that? Well, because for small businesses, this means your marketing just got a turbocharge. With tools like this, you can produce audio for customer walkthroughs, receptionist scripts, or even promotional spots on demand. No agencies, no long delays, faster campaigns, better customer experiences, and brand new ways to capture leads through voice, right? Imagine your homepage having a voice chatbot, or your missed calls instantly returning polished voicemail to text responses, right? That's the level of speed that we're talking about right now, right? Now, what can you do right now? Well, start experimenting, y'all. Record your top FAQs using AI audio tools. Add a voice onboarding option to your homepage or booking portal. And if you're missing calls, test voicemail to text responses, right? Quick, accurate replies can make the difference between losing a customer and closing the deal, which means a little bit more money in your pocket, right? Now, here's the gem. Set up an AI audio bot that asks just 2 qualifier questions on your homepage. Then track the conversion rate from bot to booking. Simple enough? Cool. Now, let's talk about Harper AI. This just dropped as an all-in-one business manager that combines CRM, messaging, scheduling, and reputation management under one AI power umbrella. It's designed to save time, cut admin costs, and automate the day-to-day tasks that eat away at your growth, right? If you're a solopreneur or running a small team, this is a big deal, okay? So it's because instead of juggling 10 tools and burning out, Harper keeps everything in one place. It responds to leads 24/7, it nurtures prospects, it manages reviews, and even schedules follow-ups, right? That means fewer missed opportunities, less stress, and faster revenue growth. Money in your pocket, okay? Now, here's what you can do. Take a look at your current tools and see where you're duplicating effort or wasting money. Then try Harper or a similar platform and focus on lead capture and review automation, right? Finally, add a simple AI autoresponder for missed DMs or text so you never miss a customer inquiry ever again, right? The gem here is simple. Turn missed DMs and calls into instant text or DM sequences. Acknowledge the message, qualify their intent, and send them a booking link automatically so they can book. Now, let's shift to regulation because this one could sneak up on you fast. California just finalized new rules for automated decision systems. These rules cover any tech that screens resumes, automates hiring, or promotes employees. And here's the kicker. They go into effect October 1st of this year, right? So that means if you're hiring or managing staff with any tool that uses selection criteria, even a simple spreadsheet, you're covered by these laws. You will be required to audit your systems for bias, disclose AI use to applicants, and accommodate diversity requirements, right? Fail to do that, and you're looking at lawsuits, fines, and reputation damage, y'all. Okay? So, take action now. List every tool you're using in hiring or promotion. Run a quick audit to check for biases and that fall in your workflows, and update your policies to disclose AI use up front. A smart gem here is to automate disclosures and run quarterly spot check for biases, right? Keep a log so you can show compliance just in case if it's needed, okay? Now, next up, misinformation. The word we all hate. Okay, a CEO in India recently went viral after posting a fake selfie with Elon Musk on LinkedIn. The entire thing was AI generated, both the image and the quote. This isn't just a funny story, right? It's proof that AI can create believable fakes that spread instantly online. Here's why that matters for you. Fake posts, reviews, or competitor attacks can now be created with almost zero effort, right? And if someone uses AI against your brand, trust can erode in hours. The line between reality and fiction is blurring fast. So what can you do? Start monitoring your brand every day. Set up alerts for your business name plus words like scam or fake. Create a trusted assets page on your website with official team photos and stories so verification is simple, right? And train your staff to recognize deepfakes and know the process for responding quickly. All right, here's the gem. Automate your alerts for all brand mentions and review changes. And commit to responding within 2 hours to anything suspicious using a verified response template. Make sense? Got it? Good. Okay, now on to Anthropic. They just settled a major lawsuit with U.S. authors over claims that they scraped millions of copyrighted books to train their models. Right? This highlights the growing legal risk tied to using AI outputs, y'all. For real. If you're using AI for blogs, product descriptions, or marketing content, this matters, okay? If that output contains copyrighted material, you could face takedowns, fines, or worse. The scrutiny on how AI models are trained is getting sharper by the day. Here's the move. Only use AI platforms that certify their outputs are copyright safe. Add a disclaimer on your site noting that AI generated content has been checked for compliance. And keep a record of which tools you used, okay, along with the settings and the outputs in case you need to prove it. All right, next up, lawsuits are exposing the risk of reception bias, okay? In San Francisco, OpenAI is facing a case after claims that ChatGPT failed to prevent a suicide during a long conversation. Critics argue that companies are pushing for growth while overlooking safety protocols. What does this mean for you? If you use AI for intake, support, or lead capture, you need strong safety measures, okay? Every bot should have escalation built in. If there is a crisis or an emergency, it must hand off to a human, okay? Got that? Check your chat flows today. Do your bots know when to escalate? Do your staff know how to handle it? Add disclaimers and test your system every quarter. And here's a gem. Add a safety disclaimer to every chat widget and test your emergency handoff regularly. Simple enough. Now, let's cut through the hype. Investors are shifting away from AGI, that far off dream of super intelligent machines, right? And what they're doing is putting money into agentic AI for small businesses. These are practical, ready to deploy agencies that handle real tasks: lead capture, appointment scheduling, review responses, you name it. For you, yes, you, the win is clear. Don't wait on futuristic breakthroughs, y'all. Focus on tools that make your business faster today. Don't get left behind. Pick one workflow, like automating lead capture, and measure results weekly. It's simple. Just deploy one agent today and track conversion rates, okay? Then iterate using your own real business data, right? Now, for the big picture, Amazon Web Services just reported that nearly half of all Australian small businesses adopted AI last year. Last year, okay? For startups, the number is even higher at 81%. What are you doing? Okay? On average, they saw a 34% revenue growth and 38% cost savings. What are you doing? That's massive, people. Come on. All right? Stop avoiding it. The time savings alone, 13 hours per employee per week, are being reinvested into customer service, outreach, and marketing. And this shows the split that's happening in the marketplace. The leaders using AI to grow, and the laggards who risk falling behind. Don't be that person, y'all. Don't be it, okay? Here's how you get on the right side of that divide. Pick one repeatable workflow. Lead qualification, maybe. Receptionist tasks or review management, and automate it. Take the time you save and reinvest it into strategy or service, and make your results public. Share them with your team, your customers, and your stakeholders. Transparency builds trust, okay? All right, I done talked y'all head up. That's today's breakdown, people. Thank y'all for tuning in to Applewhite Intelligence, where we turn AI news into practical strategies you can use to grow your business. Okay, if you found this valuable, subscribe, like, and share this with somebody who might need it. Okay? And here's something really important, y'all. If you're hearing this, right, and thinking, man, where do I even start with all that? That's exactly what my company is here for, right? At Applewhite Intelligence, we don't just report the news, we will help you apply it. If you're looking for these kinds of services and don't know how to begin, book an audit and strategy call with me. I will personally give you a free audit of your business and show you exactly where your systems may be lacking. From there, you will know the next steps to tighten up, scale up, and stay ahead, whether you use my company for all that or not. All right, y'all. Till tomorrow, peace. Oh, link is below. Schedule a meeting today. Peace.